Here's a bit of a different video for you. I'm flying my Avata 2 drone, and this is an ATB. Lately, I've been curious about pusher tugboats and barges such as this. The barge section is the Holcim Integrity being pushed by the tug GL Ostrander. Together, they form an ATB or Articulated Tug Barge. I'm planning on doing a deep dive into these vessels eventually. I've caught 3 ATBs so far, but they're all unique, so I'd like to catch some more. Consider subscribing so you don't miss that. As you can probably tell, I'm not flying my regular Mavic 3 Classic today. I've got the Avata 2 in the air. The camera is only stabilized vertically, which means when the drone tilts to fly sideways, or to compensate for the wind, the camera can't stay level with the horizon. The Avata is an extremely fun drone to fly, and even though these weren't the ideal conditions for it, I figured I'd give it a shot. In these shots, you can really see the cutout in the barge where the tug fits perfectly. You can also see a crew member crossing the gangplank from the barge to the tug.